All right, so I'll take this one and the one in, or this one in front here.
Okay.
So this one gets cut here, and this one gets cut here. Okay, now we go back.
This is quite an adventure.
It is a total adventure. I sure hope something comes of it.
My followers will be so thrilled to see the results of this.
Okay, so this is the one. Oh, let's get them both in the stimulant. Yeah, as fast as you can.
You know which one had
Yeah.
the floral on it?
Yeah, this one was the healthier one, the thicker one. Okay, so we're gonna write H.
Orange.
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 O-R-A-N. Oran. Okay, and the other one's just Oran, no H?
No H.
There we go.
So you press it quite deep. I see that you're
Yeah.
applying a bit of pressure there.
Yeah, you want to avoid any air trapped in there.
Ah, that is...
Air is your enemy.
Air is the enemy.
Yeah. And that's not enough. Whoa.
Quite a bit?
Yeah, as much as you can.
Oh, really?
Okay, and this is just O-R-A.
Yes. Okay. Now, I'm just going to look around the corner. Eric, what do we have? We have alive and...
And a dead rose together. They're coming into one stem, so we're going to cut it all the way down here.
How far down?
I think down to this node here.
Okay.
Bottom leaf comes off.
Immediately place it in the cinnamon and
honey.
honey.
And then we're going to cut off
Ooh.
this and this.
Wow.
Do you want this added?
Yeah, I'll take that one and the other one.
Okay. This is dead. Okay. That's a pretty big stem and a small potato. I'm going to ream it out a bit so there's more room for that stem. And what am I writing on here?
This is well,
HD?
an HD.
I don't know.
That's an HD, and that's a Queen Elizabeth. That's definitely a Queen Elizabeth.
HD and then
A Q.
QE.
Yeah.
Okay.
Give these to. Look at these. See if you can put them in water. Beautiful. I'll take a couple of these home for myself. And give him a couple.
Look at this.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know how you're going to carry all this.
Oh, well,
It's pretty
well,
chock-a-block.
we're gonna put it in the back of the truck. Is it okay?
Well, I think the truck can handle it. But my tray is too small. What do you think?
Oh yeah. You want me to carry it?
Yes, well, we got one big fat potato wants to jump to its death here.
Please.
There we go.
Can't jump to your death.
You got it?
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to put my crap away and clean up here.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Okay.
And I'm going to bring this right now.